Hey everyone, Shifa here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I come up with an internship vlog. As a law student, one of the most important part is doing internship and gaining practical knowledge. So this is my first offline internship, which I'm currently doing in Kerala High Court. Anyway, but it's like 6 or 5 hours journey from my hometown. So I have to stay in hostel. After staying in random hostel, I'm missing my university hostel so much. But anyway, let's come to the topic. I'm doing this internship under an advocate of Kerala High Court. So I have to reach office by 9:30. So it's almost time. Let's get ready. So I usually go by bus to the office, and even though the metro is an option, I find bus more comfortable. I don't know, unlike in Delhi where I prefer the metro. Maybe it's because the metro here is quieter and calmer compared to Delhi. Just joking. Anyway, the bus journey takes just 20 minutes to reach the office and I really enjoy it. I am heading to the office now, which is located on the first floor of Sar's 3-house home, as you can see. So as soon as I arrived at the office, Sir handed me a petition on criminal defamation to review, and he asked me to refer to the new Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. That's while reading it. Yesterday, Sir had assigned me a case file to research, which is my usual task. So most of the days I get research work only. I need to find counters that favor Sir said, and it can be petitioner or respondent. As a standing council panel member of the High Court of Kerala, Sir represents the court in various matters. So I get to review all the case files and make notes, and only some days I assist junior lawyer in drafting petitions that mostly Sai Chachi gets me through the process. So I feel lucky to have connected with her so friendly and so quickly. Like it's not every time that we could connect with them so friendly. So I could ask my doubts comfortably with her. So it's time to go to the court, and we usually go to the court at 10:30 or 11, since most of the courts in High Court start hearing around 10:30. So I go there twice or thrice in a week. Other days I get to work in the office only. The work I have to do in the court is only hearing and observing the court proceedings. Actually, it's very nice to go every day to the court. Even though we don't have much work there, we get a chance to act like a lawyer. So one day during my internship, I got to witness a Chief Justice reference, had nice food, also from the organized by Bar Council. Like everyone says, we could understand from there that all matters in the legal field are connections. We have to build connections as much as we can to survive in this law career. And the other day, we also got to meet the judge Somarajan sir, who was retiring on that day. So he talked about his feeling about retiring and had a nice talk actually. Now it's time to get off from here. The time is around 2 p.m. already, and we have to reach the consumer court before 3 am. As it's timeline to file the petitions, so Sir had given us a petition to file before the consumer court. Actually, when it comes to lower court, the proceedings are completely different from those in high court. When I see court proceedings in movies, I often wonder if they are realistic. It's as if the movies portray the courtroom as a platform for heroism. However, in real life, it's somewhat different from what we see on the screen. I could not sit in a high court for more than 50 minutes because sometimes I could not hear anything from the back, or sometimes it was like we could not make sense of the proceedings because we didn't know the facts of the case. Moreover, the trials rarely happen in high courts. We can only observe trials in lower court, which make it more interesting to watch. So today's tasks are done and dusted. So it's nearly 4:30 now, and since it's Friday, we could leave between the 4:30 to 5. So guys, that's all about today's video. I have reached the hostel now. So what I want to say is something that if you are a first year law student or someone want to pursue law, doing internship during your academic years will be the most inspiring thing for you. Of course, scoring good marks and winning a lot of competition would be benefit you. But I think apart from all that, internships are another thing that will make you a better lawyer or whatever you want to be in your law career. Like, I don't have much internship experience, but even though during this 1 year that I had gone through this academic year, what I understand that law is all about practical things. Like when we are studying one section or one sentence, we only understand that particular sentence or that section. But when this same section coming to the real life, like during any court procedure, like a lot of interpretation would be happening. So then only we get that this section or sentence can be understood in many ways. So all these we get on our internship days. And one of another important thing that excited me during this internship was I was going through a roller coaster. Like when each day when I go to office or a court, it's inspiring me a lot to do better. So when I see a judge or see people giving him a lot of respect, then I am like, okay, I will be a judge then, like magistrate kind of things. Or when I see a advocate or lawyer trying his best to give his client a justice, then I am like, okay, I want to be them all. So at least this internship helped me finding myself and what I want to be after these 5 years. So that's all I felt. No, there is so much experience I want to say like about my internships, but I'm winding up here. So hope you guys loved my video. Then please like and subscribe the video, and please follow me Instagram for more updates. So bye guys, see you on next video.